Alright, so welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by again. I appreciate it. Any new people? I hope you enjoy these videos. I hope everybody enjoys my videos because I give out some good information on them. Today I'm going to make a quick one. We're going to propagate some rubber tree parts, rubber plant parts in soil and water. It's not going to take that long. It's really simple. So make sure your area is clean. Keep your table maybe bleached every once in a while. Keep your cutters bleached or disinfected. I've already used these, so they're clean. So what I got is a cutting today off a rubber tree plant, or yesterday. I let it dry out. It was real lanky. It was just a stick. It's probably like a 3-foot stick, and then some leaves at the top. So it's getting cut back, so it'll branch out at the bottom, make a bushier plant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a couple of these leaf nodes off. I'm going to cut this one right here. And I will cut this one right there. Then what I'm going to do with these two leaves is I'm going to cut these off. And this part is going to go in some water. And these two are going to go in some soil. On this one, it's a little woodier right here. So I'm going to scratch off some of this wood. Well, it's not really wood, but it's just a hard part. Scratch it off like that. On a newer growth, you really don't have to do it. I do it on it all, just to get a clear part. I guess I'll do it. Yeah, this is actually harder, so I got a frog in my throat earlier. It won't get out. It's about 1 inch long. Still stuck in there. No, I'm just kidding. I don't eat frogs. Alright, that's probably good. So now I'm going to dip this in some rooting hormone. This soil right here, it's just a potting mix. It's real light. It's light and airy, so the roots can grow easy. I don't want to put no stress on them. I'm going to put a little water on it. Dip it in there. If I can get it. Okay. Got that rooting hormone on there. I'm just going to shove it in and leave the top part that's cut sticking out. Oops, I hit something. Okay, about like that. And this one, it's annoying. Okay, this one, same thing. I've already watered this soil, so I don't have to worry about washing anything around. It's wet, and it's gonna last a few days. Poke that one in there. And I don't want to move these. Put them somewhere where they're not gonna get knocked around. See? That's all you gotta do. These are gonna take a while. These are gonna be inside my little greenhouse, inside, so far I'm gonna put them in there. I'm not really sure. I might move them outside. I don't know yet. And on this one, you don't really have to do anything to the bottom. I'm just gonna scratch off this node right here, get it flat. As long as I got 2 nodes, this is the way I've always done it. It may be different. It's always worked. So I have basically 2 leaf nodes here. I'm going to put some hormone on it, but even though it's going in the water, but you don't need to. As long as there's some in the water, I think. Maybe. But keep these nodes, I'm keeping these 2 nodes under the water. That's the way I do it. So basically, as long as they're both underwater, let's check. Yeah, that's good. That's all I want to do. Put this one in a window, not bright, not full sun. I don't want to burn it. All right, so that's about it. I'll let these grow. I will get back with you. All right. So it's been a couple months, probably month and 3 weeks maybe, that I started rooting these rubber plants, ficuses, but everybody calls them rubber plants. So this one I had in the water. This water's changed maybe 3 times, but you can see all the roots on it. It's doing fine. That's going to go in a pot. Now it's ready to be in some soil. And this one, I had 2 in here if you remember. One of them rotted. So I'm going to take this one. I'm pretty sure it's got roots because I see a new growth, a little new leaf coming up. You see it right there. We're going to check. I just don't want to disturb the roots. I think I might. But I'm pretty positive it's rooted. These both been rooting just in the window. Oh, I felt something there. Felt like a root. Okay. Let me dump this over. Just want to be real careful. Can't really tell. It might not have. Maybe, maybe not. Oh yeah, okay, there we go. There you go. That's a nice root structure right there. So now I disturbed it, but I'm gonna pot these up together in the same pot, let them grow, you know, a couple feet. See the difference? Both the exact same window. Move this one over. Break. Exact same window. Look at the difference in the roots. Well, there you go now. And they're real healthy too. The leaves are perfect. Nothing wrong with them. There's no rot. The stem's nice. There's no rot on the stem. I still want to break these roots. The leaf's perfect on this one that was in the dirt. Yeah, the nice cuttings. Alright, if you enjoyed this and got some value from it, let me know. Like and subscribe, please. I'd appreciate it. Alright, I'll get back with you. Another one.